Financial freedom is attainable for anyone who follows these 5 simple money habits. Now we're all busy in our day-to-day lives. We go to work, pay our bills, and then before we know it, the month has passed by. And that's why being financially free is not about making a lot of money. It's actually about managing what you have right now. If you can master these 5 simple money habits, I guarantee you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Let's dive into these money habits one by one. Number 1, pay yourself first. Now this is a golden rule that most people don't follow. And if you can start with this, I promise the rest will come easy. Pay yourself first means saving a portion of your income, at least 10 to 20%, before you do any spending. And you might be thinking, I just got paid, let me go buy something nice. But no, you want to transfer that money straight into your savings account. So how much should you save? Well, aim to save at least 10-20% of your income. This may seem like a lot, but even saving 10% of $2,000 a month is just $200. Now you might not think that's a lot, but it adds up over time. The reason you want to save early is so that you can build your emergency fund. An emergency fund is crucial because life is unpredictable. You never know when a car accident, medical bill, or job loss might come your way. Having an emergency fund can save you from falling into debt during tough times. The ideal emergency fund covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. So break down that larger goal into smaller monthly steps. If you can't afford to save 20% of your income, start with 10% or even 5%. The idea is to form this habit of paying yourself first, which brings us to point number 2. Track and control your spending. Most people have no idea where their money goes. They get paid and they spend. But to become financially free, you need to know where every dollar is going. If you don't track your spending, you'll never be able to control it. And tracking doesn't mean spending hours categorizing every expense. You can use a budget tracker or follow the popular 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests that 50% of your budget goes to needs like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% goes to wants, like eating out and shopping, and 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. While this rule works for many, you may need a more detailed budget. Whatever method you choose, the goal is to increase your awareness of your spending habits. Once you understand where your money is going, you can make adjustments to align with your financial goals. For example, if you find yourself spending too much on subscriptions or impulse buying items you don't need, you can take action to control those expenses. You could cut back on non-essential subscriptions or set a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. This rule states that you can't buy anything unless you wait 24 hours. This cooling off period can help you avoid impulsive decisions and determine if the purchase is truly necessary. By tracking your spending and implementing these strategies, you'll gain control over your finances and be well on your way to financial freedom. Eliminate and avoid bad debt. Now, this is a crucial step towards financial freedom. Bad debt refers to any borrowing that doesn't generate a positive return. Think credit card debt, payday loans, and some personal loans. These debts often come with high interest rates, making them difficult to pay off. To become financially free, you must eliminate bad debt as soon as possible. One effective way to tackle bad debt is through the debt snowball or avalanche method. The debt snowball involves making minimum payments on all your debts while putting extra money towards the smallest balance. Once that debt is paid off, you move on to the next smallest balance and repeat the process. The debt avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on the highest interest rate debt first. By using these methods, you can stay motivated and focused on becoming debt-free. As you progress, it's essential to avoid taking on new bad debt. Be cautious of credit card companies offering tempting incentives. Understand the interest rates and repayment terms before committing to any new loans or credit. Remember, financial freedom is a journey that requires patience and discipline. Eliminating bad debt may take time, but the long-term benefits are worth it. Invest consistently. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. It allows your money to grow over time, potentially generating substantial returns. However, it's essential to start small and be consistent. Even if you can only invest $100, that's a great starting point. Set up automatic transfers from your savings account to your investment account on a regular basis. Over time, this consistent investment approach can lead to significant growth. When investing, focus on long-term gains rather than short-term fluctuations in the market. Consider investing in stocks, index funds, or real estate. These assets have the potential to provide long-term value and generate passive income. Stocks represent ownership in a company, allowing you to benefit from its success. Index funds offer diversification, investing in a wide range of securities, reducing risk and potentially enhancing returns. Real estate can provide rental income and appreciate in value. As you continue to invest consistently, you'll witness the power of compound growth. This is when your investments generate returns, which are reinvested, leading to exponential growth over time. Compounding is a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining momentum and size. Just like snowballs, your initial investments might seem small, but as they roll on, their impact grows exponentially. That's the magic of investing. Stay patient and committed to your investment strategy, and over time, you'll see your financial freedom grow. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single income source can be risky. That's why it's wise to explore multiple streams of income. Diversification not only reduces financial risk, but also provides opportunities for growth. Consider side hustles, freelancing, or passive income ideas. These can complement your primary income, boosting your overall earnings. Side hustles could include part-time jobs, consulting, or teaching. Freelancing offers flexibility, allowing you to work on projects as a contractor in various fields, such as writing, graphic design, or web development. Passive income ideas, like creating online courses or starting a blog, can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Building multiple income streams requires creativity and dedication. Explore your skills, interests, and passions to identify opportunities. Whether it's monetizing a hobby or learning new skills, the possibilities are vast. Each additional income stream brings financial security and allows you to pursue your goals with greater confidence. As you build your streams of income, remember to reinvest a portion of your earnings back into your income-generating activities. This can accelerate your growth and create a more robust financial foundation. By diversifying your income sources and reinvesting strategically, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. If you found these tips helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on this video, as it helps spread the message of financial education. Please share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Apply these money habits to your life today and watch as they compound over time, leading you toward a future of financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Become financially free with 5 simple money habits. In our fast-paced world where money matters are often pushed to the sidelines, achieving financial freedom can seem like a distant dream, but it doesn't have to be. By adopting 5 simple money habits that stick, you can pave the way towards a future where money works for you, not the other way around. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your approach, these habits will serve as guiding stars on your journey. Number 1, pay yourself first. When it comes to securing your financial future, It's crucial to prioritize your own needs before anyone else's. That's why the first habit you must adopt on your path to financial freedom is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income, ideally at least 10% or more, as soon as you receive it. It might seem counterintuitive to put money aside before paying bills or indulging in any personal spending, but it's this proactive approach that can make a significant difference over time. Imagine having an extra $100 each month to allocate towards savings or investments. In just 1 year, you'll have an additional $1,200. And if you maintain this habit for 10 years, without increasing your savings percentage, you'll end up with a substantial amount of $14,000. If you invest this saved amount wisely, you could accumulate a substantial nest egg that can provide financial security for your future. Additionally, by paying yourself first, you train your mind to view saving money as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or electricity. It becomes a natural outflow of your income, rather than an afterthought. Furthermore, this habit helps you resist the temptation to spend impulsively on unnecessary items, allowing your money to work for you, rather than being squandered on fleeting pleasures. By embracing the practice of paying yourself first, you can set the stage for a future filled with financial abundance and opportunities.